Happy New Year, happy new lists. As usual, every year we bring you the list of cars you can buy at certain price ranges. Normally we start with 1 million naira, but Domo, this is 2025, it's nothing like that though. So we're starting with cars that you can buy with less than 2 million naira. If you know where I had to go to find these cars. In the trenches, deep, because where else do you find 2 million naira cars in 2025? I know that the cars on this list might not impress a lot of you, but the truth is there's somebody out there with exactly 2 million naira. So we have to do what we have to do. If the cars on this list now, you have 2 million naira, the cars on this list don't make sense to you, then I'm sorry. You have to have more money because there's nothing out there for you. Like there's actually no other car that you can buy in this price range that makes sense. My name is Crank of 234 Drive. Welcome to 234 Drive Countdown. Let's get into it. First of all, this list is in no particular order. Just 10 cars that you can buy less than 2 million naira. At number 10, we have the Honda Accord Baby Boy. Here's this car. Wait, actually, all the cars on this list are used. There's nothing like Tokumbo. Nah, everything is used, Nigerian used. So the Baby Boy, you can get the Nigerian version. If you actually want to be a baby boy, then you can find the two-door version, that's the coupe. But the truth is that this car has one issue. Everybody knows it. We all know it. You know it. You know it. This car can yawo at any time. And I always tell people that this yawo problem is very easy. Like you just hear the sound, it gives you signs. So if you buy this car, you buy ball joints every 3 to 4 months. This guy is also very economical, very modest interior. You're just starting up your life. It's just there. There's nothing really about it. It doesn't give you anything. It just takes you around. Honda Baby Boy. At number 9, we have the Ford Focus 2001 to 2003. This guy actually looks funny to me. Like the mouth, the way the front looks, is long, like rat's mouth. But yeah, this is another good car for 2 million naira. This guy is actually very strong, very rugged. This guy is up there with the likes of the Camry and the Corolla. I've seen this car gliding on Tomiland Bridge before. I've seen it had the V6 engine inside. Like I just have an issue with the way it looks like. So if it's aesthetics, I won't consider it. But if it's function, performance, and I'll totally go for the 2001, 2003 Ford Focus. Now I'm very curious. I think the way it looks, I want to know what you think. Like, do you think this car looks good or it doesn't? So this is the first comment. Like, what do you think about the Ford Focus? Exterior wise only. Let me know in the comment section. At number 8, we have the Golf 3. You know what's crazy? We made a video recently asking somebody if your ex was a car, what car would it be and why? My person said Golf because it is not reliable and it doesn't have speed.
Well, the speed is not there. The durability is not there. And the loyalty is also not there.
Golf? This same Golf that has served the whole country for many years, back and back. See now, this car is very strong. Like, there's no any other place you get a German car for 2 million naira. I know you see Golf 3 as used as a cab. The reason why it's used as a cab is because it is reliable, it is strong, it is dependable. In fact, this is the only German car on this list, just so you know. So with less than 2 million naira, you can actually get a well-maintained Golf 3. Some people just maintain your cars well. So if you find somewhere like that, less than 2 million naira, you can buy this car, keep it. You don't have 2 body styles. You have the hatchback. And if you want extra space, you can buy the Wagon. That's the long one. Although because I'm a sporty type of guy, I prefer this one. Would you drive a Golf? Would you drive a Golf? Be honest with me, would you drive a Golf in 2025? At number 7, we have the Mitsubishi Space Wagon. 1985, 1990. Guess what? This is the only minivan you can buy at this price range. In the 90s when this car came out, yes, the design was fresh. But now this car just looks like the grandpa of the Toyota Sienna. If you go to Unilag now, you see this car everywhere because everybody is using it to hustle as a cab. Why? Because it's very economical. It has a 4-cylinder, 1.6-liter engine. So like all these other Siennas, or this say that have V6, this one is a very small engine. This car, I don't know, man. It just looks very old. Well, if you have a family, you need to move people around, then this is the only minivan you can buy with less than 2 million naira in 2025. Crazy, right? At number 6, we have the Kia Picanto 2010. With the way prices of cars have been going up, I would have expected that the price of this car would have gone up. But it's still 2 million naira. And that is because this car is very tiny. Nobody really wants it. But remember that this is the car that brought the Rumudu to limelight. They know I came in a Picanto. So maybe there's something there. There's actually something there because this is the latest car on this list. This is the only car that is in the 2010 region. But yeah, this car is very small, tiny. It either gets a 1-liter 3-cylinder engine or a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine. Very, very small. And I would advise you, if you have this car, don't take it for long distance travel. It was not made for that. It's just made for city driving. In Ghana, they call it the Kia morning because you just wake up in the morning, start it, go somewhere, come back, and that is it. Also, you can only carry a maximum of 4 people. So if your family is, like everybody is growing, everybody is big, you can buy this car. This car can go that husband, wife, 2 children, less than 10 years old, sitting in the back. This is not, you cannot stress this car at all. It's a tiny car, tiny. At number 5, we have the pencil-light Toyota Camry. This car was on our list last year. Now it's on this list again, still standing strong in 2025. And to be honest, this car just works. Like, it just works. It is not a car you buy for aesthetics, it's just a car for function. So when you show up anywhere, people don't really have an opinion. If your own is neat, then it's an advantage. And yes, the interior is very solid. In fact, I wish Toyota kept to this quality of interior. This interior doesn't crack. Nothing happens to it if you maintain it well. It just stays that way. So the interior has to be the best part for me. Great quality. Before we go to number 4, I need you to do one thing for me. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Because when you do that, other people see the video. The people that have that 2 million naira, you need to help them. Even though there's no car on this list you want, you can help other people find this video. So yeah, like, subscribe. Thank you. At number 4, we have the Pojo 406. This is the most powerful car on this list. I say that because this is the only car on this list. And when people see it from afar, they respect you because they think, this guy has one military affiliation, or this woman, she's in the force. Yeah, this car looks respectable. And also, this car aged well. It looks good. Like, it just has a look that is still unique, even in 2025. Like, it actually looks good. But the only issue with buying a 2 million naira Pojo 406 is that it might be badly maintained. You can get it, but you might have to spend more money in fixing it and bringing it back up to speed of the level of like cars that are actually roadworthy. Maybe the leg has scattered or something. And finding good Pojo mechanics can be tough, especially if you're not in a knot. It can be very tough. So think about this very well before you buy this car. Make sure you use this information to your greatest advantage. At number 3, we have the 6th generation Honda Civic. That's 1999 to 2000, 1998 Honda Civic. This car, there's really nothing special about it, except from the fact that if you have 2 million naira and you want Honda that doesn't yawo, yes, this car doesn't yawo. There's actually something about it too. This car has different body styles: coupe, sedan, hatchback. There's DX, GX, SI, VX, SP. Just different types. Well, I don't know if that's something that will make you buy a 2 million naira car in 2025. I'm just telling you information because that's my work. I'm a messenger of the world of mobility. I'm telling you that if you have 2 million naira and you want Honda that doesn't yawo, you can just put your head and just buy this Honda Civic. At number 2, we have the Toyota Corolla. No, that's not about that Corolla. At 2 million. They play. This is the Corolla you can buy with 2 million naira. 1999 Corolla. It's actually bland. There's nothing about it. You just want a Toyota reliable car that can take you from point A to point B. This car doesn't tell me anything. I just see you. I just, okay, you're driving. Make sure you buy the one that the AC is working so that nobody's flagging you down. Because anybody that has this car and the AC is working, they know that, okay, this one is your personal car. Except you want to use the car for transport, then you don't care about AC. But if you want to buy this car for yourself, the least you can do is make sure that the AC is working. I beg. Before we go into number 1, I don't know if you have observed something. All the cars on this list have an affiliation to transport. At this point, I think we should rename the video to Best Cars for Transportation Business in 2025 because with 2 million naira, you cannot even buy anything that is like, I bought car and like nobody would think anything, like it's just a normal car. Well, that's crazy. At number 1, we have a classic. A 1976 Volvo 240.
1976.
I don't understand. What are you expecting? This is 2 million naira cars. Because I said classic, don't. Oh, no. See, this car here. One thing about this car is that when this car came out back then, people were buying it in Nigeria brand new. That time there was nothing like Tokumbo or second. Now people were buying this car 10K, 8K, brand new. Now I've noticed that this car has come back. People are using it for something they call transportation I think it's of livestock, because I see them carrying pineapples. They'll modify it into like limousines. Saw a lot when we went to Badagry area, and I'm like, this is interesting. So with 2 million naira, you can buy this car, modify it, and it becomes like one of these crazy looking big cars. Like, I need to pack anything from anywhere, put 4 tires. Like, it just looks like a cool thing to do. So if you want to get into this business, I don't know, like, it just looks like a cool thing to do. Like, if you want to get into this business, you want to be, maybe you're selling chicken or pineapple or pepper, and you want to like be packing a lot at the same time, then you can buy this Volvo 240. Very strong, very rugged. Even up until now, this is a very rugged car. Not like I'm gonna buy this car tomorrow. Like, I cannot buy this car. I'm just telling you, in case something's telling you that you can do one business and you want to pack stuff, yeah, you can modify a 240 and you're good to go. But at the end of this video, and it just feels like a very, very disappointing. It's like something is not feeling good inside of me for giving you a list like this. It just shows how bad like the economy has gotten, Naira has gotten. And yeah, I think this might be the last 2 million Naira cars I'm ever going to see, except things get better, because I'm not going to do this to myself again. See me trying to convince you about the 1976 car or 2001. Man. So yeah, tell me, what would you like to see? Do you have any questions? Leave it in the comment section. What list do you want to see? You can be very specific. Give me a list of blah, 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 blah. We'll do it for you. And remember, if you're trying to buy any car on this list, or any other car at all, you just want professional advice, we have a service that caters to that. Just send us an email, cars@234drive.com, and we will respond to you immediately. My name is Crank, and this is 234 Drive. See you next time.